if you have a 2008 Dodge Magnum, and you know how you get this extra red wire, you don't know where to put it to. You know, you want the stereo to turn off when the car's off, and you want it to turn on when the car's on. So this pretty much is your red wire. I don't need it because it's short. So this is gonna be my new red wire right here. See it? Running all the way to the back of the car to the stereo, okay? So this red wire right here behind the stereo. So then you're gonna plug it into here, look. You're gonna go behind the car, you're gonna pop it open. And we're not done yet, we're just barely doing it, but you're gonna open this, right? You're gonna plug it into that one right there. That will make the car come on and off. See it? Watch this. You see I got my tester? See right now the car's off and they don't turn on. We're gonna turn on the car. Watch this. Hey, turn on the car real quick. So as soon as he turns on the car, that light should come on. Watch this. See it? Turn it off. That's where you're gonna run it to. This is the way we're gonna do it. We're gonna cut this long. That's it. And the reason why, and I'll show you. See that? This is where we're gonna run it to, right? So, we'll do this long, and we're gonna make it look curved like that.